Hi, welcome to this tutorial. In this video, we'll walk you through how to install and set up your Flowlu Action Automation for workflow apps. Once you're in your SUP account, head over to App Marketplace, click on it, search for your app and click on it. Click on Install, click on Allow and Install. Once your app has been successfully installed, you're going to refresh your tab, click on the custom page, then the interface of the app is going to pop up where you have access to your documentations, and under the tutorial, you're going to have access to the Smart Queue video that is going to serve as a guideline on how to get the necessary credentials to set up the app. We equally have the configuration walkthrough video that is going to help you on how to set up the app. We have the setup. At the level of the setup, we discovered that our app haven't yet been connected. But no worries, we are going to walk you through on how to connect your app. First thing, you're going to copy your redirect URL, head over to your account online. Once you're here, you're going to click on your profile picture. You're going to click on Portal Settings. Click on Auth. Click on Add. Enter a name for the application. You're going to enter your home page URL. Next, you're going to give it a description. And here, you're going to paste your redirect URL. Once you're done, click on Save. Then you're going to click on the application name. And then you're going to copy your client's ID. Head over back to your account. Click on Start Setup. You're going to paste your client's ID. Go back to your account. Copy your client's secret. Head over back to your account and paste your client's secret. You're going to go back to your account online. And you're going to copy your domain in the URL address bar. So you're going to copy your domain. Head over back to your account and paste your domain. Once you're done, click on Complete Setup. The authorization page is going to pop up, and then you're going to click on Allow. As you can see, our app has been successfully connected. We have the support center. At the level of the support center, you can create a ticket for our support team, or you can book a call with our support team. We have the change log. At the level of the change log, you're going to see the necessary notifications concerning the update of the app. And in order for you to receive these notifications, you're going to turn on the notification button, enter your email, and click on subscribe. You're all set. If you have any questions or need help, our support team is available 24/7. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel.